Tell me
like this.
No, okay.
I'm in Porto Koufo
With who?
Theo
And
other people.
Some other people.
Oh, the day has come. This is the place I've been staying for 2 weeks now. I will go to the closest big city because I got invited there as well from a couple of people that I met here. There's a musician. He wants me to make a music video for him, so I will try my best and do this. Yeah. See you in Thessaloniki. This is for my vlog.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey.
Why am I in Thessaloniki? I'm doing a music video for this Malacca. And this is another Malacca.
Top Malacca. It is a great honor for me.
Yeah.
Kamaris, you mean this?
Update. I'm still in Greece. I'm in one of my new friends' apartments. They're not here for the moment because they went to the hospital, unfortunately. But they were kind enough to let me stay and fix all of my stuff. And I have to say that I really like Greece. I would recommend everyone to go here. The people are amazing. For example, I've known this dude for 1-2 weeks. Met his family 3 days ago, and they let me stay in their apartment when they're not here. People are kind, and I like it a lot. So yeah, now I'm just gonna pack up and leave. See you on the road. We are ready. I have the map towards Istanbul, Turkey. So yeah, made it almost to Turkey. About a few kilometers from the Turkish border now. So I've done about 300 kilometers today. So now it's time to put the camp, and then I'm ready for the Turkish border tomorrow. Yeah. Let's go to Turkey. But first, I think I need coffee. So I'll go into the village, try and see if there's a good coffee place or something before heading off to the Turkish border. So I've had my morning coffee, and now I'm closing in on the Turkish border. I really enjoyed it, and in general, like the way of living in Greece. The people are amazing, and to all of my new Greece friends, I want to thank you. I will definitely visit again, but now time to go to Turkey and see what it has to offer. I believe this is the Turkish border. Kind of smaller than what I expected. It's a gas station and customs. Sweden. Turkey. Yeah, the big channel. Thank you. Okay, I'm in Turkey, I think. Yes. Welcome to Turkey. Turkey, here I come. Niklas. Ah. No, 17.
It don't seem like 2017.
Why?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't think it match?
Okay.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
New Zealand.
New Zealand.
With this. Wish me good luck. Okay, so now I'm in Turkey. Cleared customs, no problem. First time in Turkey actually. Very nice. Okay. Very interesting first night in Turkey. I'm not afraid of dogs, but when they show up in a group in the middle of the night, acting and sounding like monsters, you get scared. Goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, weird situation. When I went here to get my bike here to service the security place, I met the same guy who stopped me in the camping yesterday. He invited me for breakfast, so now I ate some bread, some traditional bread, and of course drank tea. Very nice people. Wanted to talk about my travels in Sweden, and this is where I was camping. So now I'm heading for the second breakfast. A guy I met yesterday, the one who showed me to this place, he told me to come back for the morning to get some breakfast. Whoa, okay. Weird place. Okay, now off to the second breakfast. So, look at this, it's beautiful here in Istanbul. And I love how these big Turkish flags are everywhere. Oh, look at that light. It's so good. It's so beautiful here. So, welcome to my hotel room in Istanbul. I will show you exactly what I have in the bags, and if you don't want to see this, just skip to this time in the video. So let's dive into the first bag. First of all, Enduristan. This is the 25 liter pack sack. Pop this open. The first thing we have is the big camera, and yeah, you can switch to this. Okay, video light. So now we have lights. Wow. Okay, so this bag, in case of swim, jeans shorts, bag with the hygiene stuff, paper roll. This is sleeping bag, all of the cables, 26,000 milliamp, 4 terabyte extra batteries, charger for the laptop itself, documents, extra phone, another power bank, pencil, and headphones. Finished. Okay, so let's start with the left pannier. This is the 30 liter monsoon, 2.5 liters of extra fuel, 1.5 liters of water, tool roll, headphones, camping speaker, a Kevlar jeans motorcycle pants, this big bag with only GoPro accessories, bottom plate for the tent, like for protection, rain cover for the bike. That's it for this bag. All of my clothes in pack sets, some duct tape, and the disc brake alarm, sunspray. Oh yeah, I also have a fire extinguisher, just because it looks badass. Swedish flag. That's my luggage setup, and I think I have too much stuff. Of course, helmet, money, passport, keys and stuff like that. It's happening! Leaving Istanbul. This is the bridge. On the other side, it's Asia. I wish I did this in the evening so I could see a beautiful sunset over Istanbul here, but this will do. I wonder if there's signs telling me I'm going to Asia. Welcome to Asia. Yeah. Oh my god. Feels really weird. So yeah, now I'm in Asia. I have 430 kilometers to do today. I wonder if it's possible. I got like a mesh thing on the seat now. So I have extra lights, bigger windshield, no panniers. Send them back to Sweden. One of them I send back to Sweden. Engine crash bars with the mounts for my extra fuel tanks, and of course fuel tanks in the back. And yeah, that's been taking 5 days. But everything's super perfect now. It's exactly how I want it to be, so I'm happy. I had to stop by on the gas station here because a motorcycle rider passed me, just honked at me and pointed at my tail, so I could guess what it was, and it was the fuel tank that I had tried to repair, but yeah, it was still leaking. Modified this newly built frame to fit a bigger one, a new one. I'm only 39 kilometers into my journey and already had to stop to do some repairing. It was the first time I used the tool roll on the road. Time to go again. See you on the road. Okay, first proper rainstorm riding. This is hell on earth. What to do? It's only water. Kontroll? So now I'm leaving this little city called Van. It's 100 kilometers from the Iranian border. A little bit nervous, but that's just natural. I'm very excited. So see you on the border. It's a lot greener than I expected. I'm sorry for the video. I barely filmed anything in Turkey. Yeah. Now I'm in Iran. This is my second day in Iran and I had some troubles because I forgot to bring money into Iran and I had to get some help from Sweden, but it's not very easy and yeah. And how can I live in this 4-star hotel, you might ask, if I have no money? The first thing, how I noticed that my card isn't usable is because I tried to eat lunch the first day I came here. I couldn't pay for it. So we ended up just riding 3 people on their scooter from the restaurant looking for ATMs that I could use, but yeah, it's not possible. I slept in one of the guys' homes the first night and they give me food and everything. I get to meet his family, so great people, and yeah, it's crazy because what you think about Iran is not this. Tell me to not visit places like this, and this is like the prime example. I get here and the first day I meet amazing people and they are so incredibly kind, and so yeah, that was the first night. And then the second day I planned to go here to this city, which is Urmia, because if I could get one extra entry on my visa, I could just go back to Turkey, take cash and come back again, but I only have a single entry visa and I tried that. Not possible for some reason, and yeah, I met some new people as always, eat with them, and they take me around town to try and help me with the different solutions for the money exchange. And finally we get this solution where I will send money from Sweden to an account in Turkey, which they can connect to in some way. I don't really understand, but okay. And now I'm sleeping in a 4-star hotel for free. It's crazy. They're so kind. When they told me about the hotel, I was like, yeah, so I just paid you later. And he said, no. And yeah, that's been the first experience in Iran. So yeah, that's been it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed watching, and leave some comments or anything, because I would love to get some feedback, And yeah, see you in the next episode. Bye.